Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to unfollow everyone on Facebook. If you are using Facebook and now you want to unfollow everyone on Facebook, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Facebook app and here go to menu section, select it and here scroll down, look for settings and privacy, select, then select settings and here scroll down again and look for content preferences or the news feed option. In my Facebook it's content preferences, just select it and here select unfollow and here you will get all the pages of the persons which you have followed. Here you can see his list of followed people. Now I want to unfollow. You just have to unfollow everyone individually because there's no any option to unfollow everyone at a time, so you just have to select the person which you want to unfollow. Just tap unfollow icon in front of them and after that the people will be unfollowed. So that's how you can easily unfollow everyone on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.